We're going to begin with breaking news. A stunning surge in coronavirus cases across much of our country that's forcing states to close bars, beaches, and businesses, reimposing restrictions just days before the July 4th holiday. Tonight, the number of new infections nationwide is nearly double what it was just 2 weeks ago. In some states, the increases are even more dramatic. Texas is now reporting 8,000 new cases in 24 hours, a new record. And in what feels like a nightmarish flashback to the early days of this pandemic, overflowing emergency rooms in Houston are sending patients to other cities. Tonight, California's governor says cases are spiking so quickly there, he's shutting down most businesses he only recently allowed to reopen. And the fast food giant McDonald's says it is scrapping plans to serve food inside most of its restaurants for at least the next 3 weeks. Nationwide, public health officials say they fear the holiday weekend could be a dangerous turning point, and they're urging people to stay home. As we come on the air, the virus has killed about 128,000 people nationwide. Confirmed cases in the U.S. nearing 2.7 million. As you can tell, there is a lot of breaking news tonight, and our team of correspondents is standing by to cover it all. CBS's Carter Evans is going to lead off our coverage tonight, and he's in Riverside, California. Carter?
Major, many California cities have already canceled fireworks displays for the 4th of July and closed beaches. Well, now the governor is going one step further as hospitals fill up and COVID cases here in California skyrocket. This is what California's governor wants to end. He's ordered 70% of the state to close bars and ban indoor dining for at least the next 3 weeks.
We were able to bend the curve in the state of California. We're going to bend this curve again.
With new COVID cases in California spiking 72% in just the last 2 weeks, the situation is catastrophic in places like Riverside County east of Los Angeles, where ICU beds are 90% full and nurses are sounding the alarm.
They give us one N95 mask per shift.
What happens if you see a COVID patient and then go in to see another patient without COVID? Same mask?
Same mask.
Angel Moreno says staffing and equipment shortages are still happening months after the pandemic began. Are you afraid you're going to get sick?
Yeah, of course, absolutely, on a daily basis.
Meanwhile, in New York today, the city postponed indoor dining indefinitely, and the governor lashed out at the president.
He denied the reality of this situation from day one. Well, you know what, Mr. President? Reality wins.
The latest reality check, a cluster of cases in New York's Rockland County. 8 people at a large party infected, not cooperating with health investigators. Now the county has subpoenaed them.
I will not allow to have the health of our county compromised because of ignorance.
And there's potentially good news on the vaccine front. 2 companies, PFIZER and BioNTech, say clinical trials are showing positive results, but no timeline on how soon a vaccine could be ready. And it can't come soon enough for Americans who are being asked to hunker down again. Carter Evans, CBS News, Los Angeles.